Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, which index option to choose tomorrow, being expiry day, whether it will be a call option or put option, which strike price will give you a maximum benefit. All of this detail will be discussed in this short video. First of all, thanks for subscribing and making this video a big. Keep referring your friends and subscribe both my YouTube channel and Telegram channel. This video is created only for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investment into share market. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. So Nifty, we have been discussing this range being a kind of very big resistance throughout the period, almost starting from this kind of March beginning, like March mid to up to the April end, almost to 45 days. It has been trading in this range or below the range, and it has tried couple of times and failed, but this time it broke out this level and it is trading very well above this 9500 zone. So this is a kind of good sign for a kind of small recovery, but don't put your complete money into long-term investment. Just park at least 10 to 25% of your money and you can go in start investing in a kind of SIP mode on your favorite stocks. So on a 5-minute candle, if you go, like, it was a kind of trending day right from the starting of the day. It was just trading up and up and up, and there is no down. So you can see just it was growing up and up, and a small profit booking through at the end of the day. And coming to the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is no more not a major difference. It was also the same thing, just started and then keep on going upward. Let us go to the daily chart of Bank Nifty. It was little different from the Nifty, and it was a kind of channel move compared to a Nifty. Nifty was going little up, whereas Bank Nifty was little dragging, or it's a kind of sideways movement. And this level, this 21,000 is a crucial level which it crossed today, and it is holding very much good above that level. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty, for Nifty 9500 was a kind of sentimental zone, whereas for Bank Nifty 21,000 was a very big sentimental zone. So both of these cross those sentimental zones and trading above that. Let us go to the option chain data. So option chain data, this 9000 max pain is now no more invalid. I can say, like, a drop of 500 points tomorrow is a kind of very big task, and tomorrow this 9500 will act as a major support. Further going up, like if it trades above this 9600 and it crosses, like, it can very much touch this 10,000 in the coming period. Going to the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is also the same. This 21,000 will act as a major support tomorrow, and further trading it might boost up to this 21,500 in the coming days ahead. Going to the global data was very big surprise. Like SGX Nifty is trading 100 points plus compared to the evening closing. So 9600 you can expect tomorrow at least around 50 to 100 points up from the today's closing. So tomorrow morning session is again there. So most probably this coronavirus medicine, which was kind of news which is being spread, like Gilead has a kind of human spread, that may be the main reason for this kind of password like a positive move. And let us go to the chart, slides. So this is the levels which I recommended yesterday evening. So it was a kind of strangle method, like a 9200 put option and 9600 call option. So both the levels opened at 19 rupees and 15 rupees respectively, went to a low of 4 rupees and 12 rupees, and then went to a high of 20 and 63. So low was the current thing, so I have considered loss over here 15 rupees, whereas here at C 73 rupees profit. So combining both of this, so 58 rupees profit per lot in Nifty, which is a kind of very good sign. And if you're coming to the Bank Nifty side, 213 rupees profit for 2 lots, so which is also a very good sign. So 173 on PE side and 286 on a kind of CE side. So if you have closed this quite a good early period, like, you might have saved another couple of bucks throughout the day. So both the performance performed very well, and both the levels are good winners. Let us go to the today's performance level. So considering the global impact, so tomorrow my recommendation is at the money and then out of the money. Out of the money is for low risk takers, because the today's closing itself is 7 rupees. So tomorrow, even if it opens at somewhere around 9600 also, this will be a kind of big task, because tomorrow it has to close about 9700, otherwise this will become zero. Whereas this is a kind of quite optimistic, so that is why I gave this level at the money, which is operating at 43 rupees. So you can consider any of these, considering the opening level 9550 or 9700 will give you a kind of very good trade for tomorrow. And for Bank Nifty, 21,100, which is at the money trading at 192, will give you a very good return. 293, which is almost like close to the day's high, will be a very good option. And if you want a kind of little conservative, you can go ahead with this out of the money 21,300, so which is the day's low. So 21,400 is your break-even point. So if it trades somewhere at 21,400 will give you a kind of very good return for this one during the mid of the day, otherwise it will lose its premium. So let me conclude. For tomorrow's trade, Nifty 9,550 call option or 9,700 call option based on the opening level, and then for Bank Nifty 21,100 call option or 21,300 call option. So the same thing based on the opening level and how much points it is opening plus will give you a kind of very good direction. So have a profitable trading session, and let me introduce to this TLP program. So a week back we have conducted this TLP program batch 1 of online, and this coming week 11th of May we are planning for the second batch. And these are all the topics which covered over here, like it's a kind of 6 days online program covering like 1 to 2 hours a day. So for bookings and early bird offers, contact my WhatsApp number and my Telegram link mentioned below. Have a profitable and wonderful day ahead. Thanks. Bye.